how is yeah. Quantity. So how can you I'm just appreciating it. Yeah, you bet. We've known each other for a long time. Yeah, a long time. I always. Michael Gonzalez and his students from the City College of San Francisco are distinguished performing artists. Mr. Dennis Normandy and Mrs. Linda Normandy, welcome. Mga kababayan, guests, good evening. On behalf of my wife Cecil and my colleagues, Consul Reggie Bernabe, and we have two new consuls here in case you have not met them. Let me introduce them. Vice Consul Rachel Ann Oronce, stand up. Fresh from Manila, and fresh from Brazil, Vice Consul Carlene Monastria.
Queen.
Welcome to our social hall, but this is also our Folklife Museum. So today we are pleased that you are joining us in celebrating the 151st anniversary of the birth of Andres Bonifacio. You all know Filipino nationalist, revolutionary leader who was known as the father of the Philippine Revolution, the Supremo of the kataas-taasang kagalang-galangang katipunan ng mga anak ng bayan. KKK. Memorize it. A movement which sought the independence of the Philippines from Spanish colonial rule and consequently started the Philippine Revolution. So it's a different KKK from. So, as we all know, Andres Bonifacio was considered a national hero alongside, of course, Dr. Jose Rizal. And in fact, he was, some say that he was the first president of the Philippines. But whether this is acceptable or not, without question, he was instrumental not only in kindling the desire for independence among Filipinos, but in leading the charge against those he believed to be withholding that freedom from our forebears. He was a man of vision and courage, a true leader who fought for love of country and love for the Philippines. Today, we are pleased that we will be enjoying poetry and music in honor of the Supremo. So we would like to thank again Dr. Gonzalez and his students, Ms. Evelyn Mandak, Mr. Bayani De Leon, Ms. Teresa Colfutura for sharing, and Judith Lee, for sharing their talents with us in tonight's celebration. So on behalf of Consul General Henry S. Bensuto Jr. and Philippine Consulate and its partner agencies, welcome to this tonight's event, and I hope that this will inspire us and to work towards contributing to nation building in the Philippines and also here in the United States. Thank you and mabuhay. Mabuhay.